I hope that this helps you to achieve some of your goals and also gives you the space to relax and to take a breath. Just breathe. So maybe your morning routine could be that you put some laundry on. You've had a good breakfast. You spent some time reading and journaling. You've listened to your favorite playlist. Maybe the afternoon you write out a meal plan or prepare your meals for the week. Spend time on a hobby or side hustle. Maybe you want to call, text family members. We do that. We text each other. Evening, you want to put your laundry away. You want to prep another load. Write a to-do list for the week ahead. Add your laundry and grocery list. Do a quick tidy up so that it feels refreshed. By mixing these routines, it helps you have self-care with some useful planning for the week ahead.